so this is my Leetcode solving section. So 1358, count negative number in a sorted matrix. And basically you just count how many negative number in this matrix. So the number is this. So total you have 8. And then there's no, and there's 3, and there's 1. Okay, so we use the stupid way. We just to loop for I in the grid, for j in the I. So for I in the grid means that we take a list, and then we iterate each element. If j is less than 0, then we just use we just count how many negative numbers. Okay, so it's still very fast. I guess the most quickly ways you use the binary search. But I guess in this problem is very easy, so I guess we don't need such technique. And also this is an easy question, so we will just use the standard way to solve it. Okay, so I will see you guys in next videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel.